Welcome to Anyone Can Do This. My name is Floyd. This channel is about teaching you the basic of cooking because it's a life skill everyone should know. Today we are going to show how to peel and chop an onion for different processes. Here we go. Onion. Listen, you always can't get it right, but just check it. We're doing a Spanish onion, I call it. A big, nice one here. I have a serrated knife because it cuts better and faster. That's why I'm using it. If you want a chef knife, you could. Okay, so claw grip, right? Cut off the top of the onion. Do not, whatever you do, do not cut off the root. Not yet. Don't. That's hold the onions together. Okay, turn it like that. Support your onion good, and cut it right in half. Use your hands. Don't be afraid. Use your hands. Same thing here. Just trim it. Take out the excess. So the first one, let's cut this like we're gonna put it in a salad, or we could do it for stir fry, right? Nice salad or so, right? Just go right like that. Okay. When you get down to here now, the root. So all you gotta do is put it down like that. Put it down like that and go like this. That's all you throw away. Okay. If you are doing stock, you can put it in the stock. Okay. So this beauty here. So this is where you would put in a salad. Onions will make you cry if you're a very emotional and caring person. If you're not gonna cry. Okay. This is just my emotion the onions bring it out. Okay. Okay. Anyway, we can cut some dice. Dice could do in cooking a risotto, anything you want to throw in a fine dice into, right? Salads, anything, right? So what you do, claw grip, I call it, right? Like that. Okay, and then you just one cut into it. Please don't go right to the end, okay? Like that. Half inch. Then you turn it this way, and you saw. You gotta pay attention, okay? Okay, if you use a chef knife, yes, you could go right through, but I'm just using a serrated knife because it makes the cutting process easy. See, and then you just start cut like this. All right. See, cooking is not only about building flavors, it's about knife skills. All you need to just support it, put it on like that. I'll keep going the same way like that, okay? Oh, I'm crying just for you viewers. See, I must love this teaching thing. Usually I will have the other helpers help me do this job here, right? Crying is better than drooling in your food, you okay? That's it, the dice. I just put it in here. So here we are, viewers. Finished product. Looking good as usual. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it helps someone out there, how to cut an onion, because I know it's a challenging thing. I know you're gonna cry. I don't care what anyone say. You will cry because that's what the onions does, right? Bad love, I call it. Thank you.